Hi there. Today we will talk about spread and fee. Trading financial assets will have a fee that investors must pay to the broker who facilitates the trade for you. The fee rates can vary. There are many types of service fees depending on each broker's policies. However, IUX presents the fee information set by IUX for you. At IUX, there are only two types of fees, which are 1. Spread, and 2. Overnight fee. How does IUX charge each type of fee? When are they charged? Let's understand more in the following content together. 1. Spread. What is spread? A spread is the gap or difference between the ask price and the bid price. The ask price is the price at which the seller offers to sell the asset to the broker. The seller will receive the ask price when opening a buy position and when closing a sell position. The bid price is the price the buyer is willing to pay to the broker for the asset. The buyer will receive the bid price when opening a sell position and when closing a buy position. The spread will be charged immediately when you open a position, causing your position to initially show a negative value. This will be reflected in the profit/loss on your portfolio page. Here's a little trick for you to calculate the spread using this formula. When AMD stock has a bid price of $144.5 and an ask price of $145, the spread is $0.5. If you invest $1,000 and receive 7 units, the fee you will be charged is calculated as follows. Let's look at this calculation formula. Spread amount equals bid price minus ask price times units divided by the exchange rate. For example, bid price is $144.5. Ask price is $145. Units are 7. Exchange rate is 1. So, spread amount equals $144.5 minus $145 multiplied by 7 and divided by 1. This gives you negative $3.5. You will be charged a fee of $3.5 when you open the position. The spread calculation is similar to the profit/loss calculation because the first negative is a deduction of service fees to brokers for buying and selling asset contracts. But when you continue trading and the asset is in the direction you expected, the profit/loss will become positive. But if it doesn't follow your expected direction, the profit/loss will become negative. And 2. Fee. IUX has a fee called an overnight fee. An overnight fee is a fee that investors must pay to the broker if they hold an asset overnight. This overnight fee applies to CFD assets, which are traded with leverage greater than 1, or to assets held in a sell position. The rate of the overnight fee varies for each asset. Overnight fees have 2 types, as follow. 1. Daily overnight fee. This is the fee you must pay to the broker daily, which is charged daily at 10 p.m. 2. Weekly overnight fee. This is the fee you must pay to the broker at 3 times the daily amount due to market closures. It applies as follows. The fee is charged 3 times every Friday for assets such as commodities, indices, stocks, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs, as these assets have a market close every Saturday and Sunday. The fee is charged 3 times every Wednesday for currency assets, because the market closes on Thursday and Friday. Thus, financial transactions cannot be made on this day. In conclusion, spreads and fees are the primary service fees that brokers charge investors for using the services of trading financial assets or securities that the broker provides. At IUX, we offer a low spread and reasonable overnight fees to provide greater access to trading and investment opportunities. Additionally, we do not charge fees to investors holding an Islamic account.